Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J. Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Alright, today we are going to go ahead and stuff our savings challenges. These are the same savings challenges we worked on yesterday, so this should be pretty smooth. I'm hoping. I have a little bit of cash in here that I can pull the change from that I need, and we're going to have to work it like we did yesterday because I had every intention of making sure that I got the change, and I didn't, of course, but that's not going to stop us. I think this is really important for us to try to push through a plan of action here. So, you know what I wanted to try differently was to pull the envelopes out, but let's count up what we're stuffing. 10, 15, 20, $25 is what we have today. And you know what, I'm hoping that tomorrow I have a little bit of cash. It's not $25 worth of cash, but I think whatever it is, we're just going to come back and stuff it, right? Because, I mean, I was thinking about putting it with this one, this cash stuffing, but nah, let's just see what we can do here. All right, so let me set these up, and I'm going to try to make sure they're in frame. Be right back. Okay, so that looks good, I think, on camera. And so what we need to try to do is see which envelopes actually have change and try to snag the change. All right, so this one I know has 10 bucks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's put that $10 there. All right, and this one has $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one has a $5 bill. Okay, so there's not much more we can do quite yet. I tried to leave them in the order. These have little stickers of the numbers. You can't see them on camera, but I can see them here in front of me. So I think we'll do like we did yesterday. We'll leave a $5 bill in there, and then also a $2 bill, and then we have $10 that we will set off to the side and come back to because we want to make sure that, should I do two $5 spices? Oh, that's dangerous, but I think we are going to okay, so we've got some spices in there. That's what we're doing today. I don't know where that bravery just came from, but I like it, and let's see how this goes. Number 2. Number 5. Number 4. Number 2. Number 4. Oh man, number 4. Number 6. Okay, number 6 got $1, but let's see. What do we have here? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's continue on. Number 5. Number 6. Oh no! So number 1 and number 3 didn't get anything today. Oh, that's okay. I think our werewolf may be completed, so we'll come back to that to see. So number 1 didn't get anything, but number 2 got $5. So let's color in. I keep saying that I'm going to hole punch these. All right, so let's see here. $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, such good progress. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll come back to that. Number 3 did not get anything. All of these savings challenges are in S&C Budget Creation shop down below. If you're interested in snagging any of them, feel free to grab them. Also, sometimes throughout the month we list what is in our shop as a freebie for about 24 or 48 hours. So make sure you're subscribed and you got your notifications on if you like our savings challenges. Sometimes they're freebies. So, all right, so number 4, werewolf got $5, $10, $11, $12. Wow, 12 bucks? Girl, you are meaning to come in here and take all the cash. All right, let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How crazy. One more dollar. And the saving challenge would have been completed. I am going to leave this cash here. so this can dry a little bit. All right, so our March Christmas savings challenge, which is a roll and save, got $2, $3, $4, $5 today. Love to see it. And this one is a set that I'm working on. Each month I pull the actual corresponding savings challenge. So next month I'll work on April, and then I put it into a separate binder, and I will be counting it up at the end of the year. All right, so the last savings challenge is getting $3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And I'll go ahead and let this one dry a little bit as well. Okay, so number 1, let's count it up. We have $3 there. Perfect. Hopefully next time she'll get some love. And the way I work my savings challenges is once they're completed, I put them into my sinking funds binder so I can do a cash stuffing, but I don't add any more savings challenges until all of these are completed. So this $5 we're adding here. Ooh, making a mess, giving me a total of $10. Perfect. All right, so this savings challenge is the Cheetah savings challenge, and it has $10. We didn't add anything else today. All right, and our Fierce Queen Werewolf got all that cash today. So we have a total of $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 here. All right, and so to our March Christmas, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, which is awesome. It's coming along pretty well. And our last savings challenge, which is the tattoo, Melanin Tattoo Savings Challenge, has $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Perfect. I would love to see these finished pretty quickly. You all know how my sinking funds have been. As soon as I stuff them, the money's gone. My sinking funds, I basically at this point I'm using them to actually spend time with my kiddos, and then also take care of myself in terms of like if I solo dates or if I need something in particular. I have specific sinking funds for that, and it really just is so that way I can save a little bit more than just $2 or $3, and then I can put it to our sinking funds, or then I can save it, and the sinking funds have been more for spending at this point. I don't have an eat out fund. I don't have anything that's like set up for my kiddos to do anything really fun, mostly because of my financial state. I don't have a lot of money, so I have to save a little bit at a time. And by doing that, I'm able to have a little fun with my children. So it's working, and I'm going to keep it up. Okay, guess we're not putting them all in there at once. So in here, let's see here. Okay, perfect. We got them back in there. So that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.